There's a suggestion that the Student Loans Bureau is in such good financial standing, it could start giving free grants to applicants instead of loans.
The Student Loans Bureau was at the Public Accounts Committee meeting in Parliament today. TVJ's KRISTA Campbell has the details.
A special education tax that significantly increased the funds available for loans at the Students' Loan Bureau, the SLB, and has Public Accounts Committee PAC Chairman Mark Golding talking about free tertiary education.
The loans are being substantially funded out of tax revenues that are being provided to the SLB to finance them. So if the operating costs were zero, you would only have to go another 9%, and all of these loans could be grants, and they're entirely borne by the taxpayer, and we'd have a free education system.
Persons who may now have family members or apply for scholarships, other sources of financing, if these were grants, they wouldn't bother.
More than $2 billion in cash at the SLB in March last year. Still, the PAC members lament that accessing loans remains a challenge, particularly for those who need it most. The Auditor General's report on the SLB notes that while 96% of applications are initially approved, only 77% are actually disbursed. The PAC members stress that the requirement of a guarantor continues to be a deterrent for some applicants. SLB Executive Director Monica Brown explained that exceptions are made through an appeals committee.
There was a student who lives in a shelter and was not able to find guarantors. And he appealed and he was approved for a loan without providing guarantors.
She says similar consideration is also made for inner-city applicants who may not have access to persons with the financial means to stand as guarantors. Meanwhile, she notes that the SLB continues to have challenges collecting from guarantors when applicants default on their loans.
In some cases, when we approach the guarantors, the capacity to pay has changed. Some may have lost jobs, some may have some other circumstances which prevent them from honoring the obligation.
The committee chairman suggested the SLB reassess its guarantor policy, especially in light of its improved financial situation. KRISTA Campbell, TVJ News.